Hello everybody, in today's video we are fixing the Steam error that says there wasn't problem processing your request and error wasn't encountered. This usually happens when you're trying to open up the store, library, or make a purchase, so let's go step by step in order to fix it. First of all, if you have opened up Steam on your computer, you can just go ahead and close it completely. So if you have opened it here, you can go to your task manager and open it up. Once you open up your task manager, you should be finding your Steam here. Once you find Steam, you can just right click on it and select the option for ending the task by clicking on this one right here and select the option for end task, and that should close up the Steam completely. After that, you can try opening up Steam again and see if that works. You can also clear Steam download cache. So once you open up Steam, you can go to settings by looking for the Steam icon in the top left, and from here go to settings. And after you go to settings, you can go to downloads. And from downloads, you can go ahead and look out for clearing download cache right here. Click on clear cache. And once you do so, you can log in back into your Steam account and see if that works. If that doesn't work, what you can do is you can change the download reason. So you can go to Steam, just open up Steam once again, go to Steam at the top and go to settings. And once you go to settings, look out for download options right here. From downloads, you need to go ahead and look out for download reason here, expand it up and select up any other reason. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and click on restart to take effect on Steam and fix the issue. And you can also try running Steam as an administrator. You can close this up and head over to Steam. Once you find it on your desktop, right click on it and select the option for running it as an administrator, and that will help if permissions are causing the error. And that's it. So one of these steps should fix the Steam processing request error. So if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it.